Okay, get started, man.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you meant literally now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we're gonna make...
Yeah, what are we gonna make, Adam?
We're gonna make grilled cheese and gazpacho, which is like a chilled tomato soup to go with the grilled cheese because it's fucking hot today. Are we swearing in this video?
Sorry?
Are we swearing in this video?
Sure.
Okay, we are now. Fuck.
Cunt.
Cunt. Oh, don't. No. That's not
That's a little too far.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Actually, I'm just gonna eat cheese if you want to film that shit. Anyway.
Anyways, we're planning on...
Yeah, so here's some fucking bread, here's some cheese.
Now tell us about our ingredients. What kind of bread is this?
It's rye from somewhere, I don't know. He bought it.
Yes, I did. Well, it was my dad, but... Okay, we've got... You're going to be using this kind of processed cheese.
Yeah, I'm going to use processed cheese and double Gloucester. Double Gloucester for flavor and the processed cheese just because it has better melting properties. It melts better and more consistently than that, and it doesn't get rubbery or greasy. So yeah, let's do that. How do you fucking turn on futurist? We're also going to make a gazpacho from like a garden cocktail.
Yeah, I've never heard of this at all, so I'm really...
Yeah, so this is something that I thought I came up with, and it tasted really good. But making like a tomato soup from this and seasoning with, I usually use Parmesan, but today we're going to use a sharp cheddar, Canadian cheddar.
You know, I used to be funny when I was younger.
Yeah, not anymore?
No, not anymore.
So, the trick to making grilled cheese is to butter every centimeter of the bread.
That's I never really thought of that.
Really?
Yeah, I just put the bread on.
I'm encountering people like in real life or on the internet that don't make it that way, but it's absolutely the way that you should be grilling or frying anything, any bread. I mean, like if you're making like burger buns or whatever.
I always just put the butter on the pan and hope it like soaks up enough.
I mean, it definitely like soaks up in like 1 or 2 places, but it doesn't get everywhere. This would be a great time to get B-roll because
I am getting B-roll.
Buttering every slice.
I am literally getting the best footage in the world right now.
So now we've got this tomato soup or tomato juice simmering, and I'm going to very slowly.
I got you one. It's in there somewhere there.
So David had to charge the camera because we started the video without a.
Yeah, I bought this camera like 5 years ago, and I haven't charged a battery, so figures it runs out. Anyways, yeah, what's going on now?
So because of that, we now have like a tomato syrup. So now I'm gonna add some more of this shit.
Was that called a reduction?
It's now a reduction. It's actually fancier now than it was before.
You gonna grill some cheese or what?
What?
You gonna grill some cheese or what?
Yeah, eventually. It's hot.
Oh, it's fucking hot.
It's fucking screaming, ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this.
You can smell those sausages, those toaster sausages.
David put vegetarian sausage, like Eve's sausage, in the fucking toaster.
Hey.
And I'm trusting him that it's not gonna burn the house down.
No, it's not. It's just gonna make the toaster, like if you put something else in the toaster, it's gonna taste like sausage. But you just put it in for the max amount, do it 2 or 3 times, you're good. It's like putting it in the barbecue.
Are you too good for a microwave?
What?
Are you too good for a microwave? Is that weird?
It's just kind of like, it's like,
okay, here's some bread.
Oh, you were like preparing it on the pan?
Yep.
Crazy.
That's fucking whack. Add some cheese to it as I'm whisking. Or rather, I'm going to whisk some cheese into it. This is, David, this is honestly the worst whisk I've ever used.
Sorry.
Look at this. Look what it's doing. This is.
I mean,
what is this
it's
for?
not really a whisk. What it's like a thing you squish. I don't know. It's some European
It's a potato masher. It's a
yeah, I think it is.
So anyway,
I think it is a potato masher.
so anyway, this is what we're doing here. Oh, also I'm gonna add some black pepper.
I'll get that
Not
for you.
freshly ground, but not for reasons just because that's all fucking David has. So I'll just have to trust David that this is a European thing. And it's actually just luxurious and fancy. And I am uncultured swine.
I mean, I wouldn't call your Eastern European like backwards technology like luxury. So they fucking use like electrical current to boil water in a jar. So I don't know.
Electrical current boiled water.
That wasn't very well explained. Like they use like a coil, like a resistor basically, and just dump it in a jar full of water to make the tea.
I mean, that sounds like it would work.
It does, but it's, I mean, if you want to call that luxurious, I don't know.
Then you don't need a kettle, you put it right into your container.
That is your container, man. That's, you just eat it, you drink the jar.
You drink the jar?
And
You drink the hot container, but
you drink the contents.
okay, so I'm gonna taste that in a second. It already smells really good. That's really good, but that's what like the whole soup tastes like. So I'm gonna add more cheese.
More cheese.
Yeah, you can slow-mo that if you want. Anyway, I'm gonna
I just slow-moed it in real life.
in real life, in real time.
What's wrong?
Everything. This is what's wrong. See, so the rest of that, I'm gonna get some ice in there. That's worked brilliantly. This is how you burn grilled cheese. You occupy yourself with many things. Where's a plate, Davis?
Hey, it's right behind you, David.
David, that.
It's right there.
Right, so this is how you burn grilled cheese. Let me show you momentarily how to make one that you would like to eat.
I mean, I would eat that. I would eat that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Anyway, everything's fine. Everything's fine.
Now, I think our toaster sausages are ready.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll,
we can really eat that off camera.
Where did you get the soup recipe from?
I just made it up.
You just made it up on your own?
Yeah.
No, you must have had some influencer somewhere.
What?
Well, then.
Someone gave me some tomato juice, and because they didn't like it, and I kind of felt like tomato soup, so I thought, well, maybe it won't be totally disgusting to make tomato soup this way. And it turned out it was actually extra.
That's actually incredible. You just made that yourself?
Delicious.
Holy shit, that's a crazy recipe.
I don't think that's incredible. I think that's just experimenting.
You're a master chef.
Here's our, this is, oh fuck.
Are you just gonna pour it in there?
Yep.
What's so bad about it?
I don't think that anyone should watch this video. If you've already gotten this far into this video, I'm so sorry.
I don't know. I think it's pretty good. What do you have a name for this recipe?
Fucking Gazpacho, that's easy. Let's not burn this grilled cheese also. So I'm gonna quickly do this. Do one of these, do one of these. Flip it.
You were saying?
Shut the fuck up. I'm going to mix this
I think you might have had it a little high.
cheesy mixture.
How is it?
It needs salt, and I should have done that before it got cooled down. But we're not going to tell anyone that. We're going to tell everyone that it's fucking delicious. This is how you burn not one, but 2 grilled cheese, and then make bad tomato soup. Cut. Mmm. Yum. Yeah, it's okay. That's what you want to hear on a cooking video, right? That's their trying food. This is alright.
The worst flavor that I've had from this sausage.
I thought the flavor was okay, but
The
it
other
definitely.
ones are like so much better. This is. I don't know. The grilled cheese is pretty good though. Like I gotta say.
As far as burnt grilled cheese goes, pretty good. Very dry. Sorry. I hate on my
Oh, you made it.
I hate on my own cooking quite a bit.
You hate on it. You're a hater on your own cooking. What an asshole. There's like chunks of cold cheese. This is disgusting. This is fucking foul.
So I've made this recipe hot before, but never cold. I wouldn't recommend it.
Why did you make?
I wouldn't recommend it cold. I actually quite like the chunks of cheese.
You know, it's fine.